Hi guys, Dylan here from the Fergus team. In this video, we're going to look at site visits in Fergus. Site visits are unique to Fergus. Within a job, you can have as many site visits as you need. These are particularly useful for breaking up the job into sections that can be managed and invoiced as the job progresses. The main advantage of site visits is the ability to manage costs within a job, as time and materials can be allocated to the visit as work is carried out. There are 5 tabs in every site visit. These are Scheduling, Labour, Supplier Documents, Purchase Orders, and Stock on Hand. The Scheduling tab is for assignment and time or day slot bookings. Labour is where the team do all the time entries, and they will appear listed out here. Supplier Documents is where you can store any invoices or credits that you are waiting on, and also any that have been received. This allows you to pull these materials directly onto invoices, so you don't have to enter them in again. Purchase Orders is where you can generate a document to send to your supplier to order. This can either be a price document or an order for you to pick up or have delivered. Stock on Hand is where you can store anything else that you have used for the job, and is a common place for products you have in your custom price book to be recorded. Using multiple site visits allows the job to be broken down into stages so that you can prioritize different parts of the job, even show your clients what stage the job is at. Site visits can also progress independent of the job, as they have their own statuses. The way to spot this is the job number will have an alpha displayed next to it. Using site visits in Fergus allows a clear overview of any given job, so all the moving pieces can come together. As always, if you have any questions, please get in touch via support@fergus.com.